doesn't matter where we go and destination or no. I don't care where the motor stops, cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go.
Hey guys, here's your TraveliciousDuo. Welcome back to our adventure, this time at Disneyland Paris. From the moment that we stepped in the park, everything was mind-blowing. All the pretty and colorful buildings, nice cafes and restaurants, and of course the beautiful flowers. This place is magical even from the entrance. As we were about to enter the main boulevard of the park, we were greeted by this electric horse carriage. From here you can see the Sleeping Beauty Castle. As you walk through the main street USA, you will be surrounded by boutiques and restaurants. Here's where people sit to watch the show at night. This street will end in the main plaza in front of the castle. We had our Disney app installed, so we were in a rush to go to the Pirates of the Caribbean, because the park had just opened and the waiting line was short. Oh my god, this castle is so beautiful. I feel like all my childhood dreams came true. To get to the Pirates of the Caribbean ride, we had to take a left to the side of the castle. Just look at these colors and how perfect the green area is. Of course that the Sleeping Beauty Castle is on our visiting list, but we had planned it for later because we wanted to avoid staying in line for too long at the popular rides. From the castle, you have to enter Adventureland. It all begins with Aladdin's world. Just look how amazing everything is, and this chandelier is wow, especially paired with this camel bench. Every souvenir shop is great, but at Disneyland the only problem is that you will want to buy everything. From time to time, you will meet some of the most popular characters in the park. On the Disney app, you can also find the meet and greet program, but pay attention at the lines. The waiting time is displayed and corrected accordingly. After crossing Aladdin's world and admiring the pirate ship from the bridge, now we have entered the Adventure Aisle. Probably everyone in here had the same plan as us and was rushing to the Pirates of the Caribbean. Another bridge to cross and a cave to enter. The pirates are very well hidden and the treasure is hard to find. The whole area was very well prepared for when the big queue will start, and we were amazed of how well they were organized. Now we have to enter in the darkness of the cave to capture the pirate story and discover their treasures. incredible ride filled with brave men, rum, gold and an epic story, we headed directly to the Discovery Land. To be able to reach that area, you have to cross Adventureland and also the Disney Plaza. Now we have a little bit of a different path, crossing the territory of the Lion King and Hakuna Matata restaurant. If you're interested, those were the prices in 2023. Again, we have rushed through Aladdin's world as we did not want to stay in line for a long time. Taking another short look at the beautiful symbol of Disney and wishing that this was my home in real life. As we have reached the Discovery Land, we headed directly to the Hyperspace Mountain. All I can say is that this is totally worth it. It is an incredible ride that no one should miss. We were not allowed to use our camera on this ride and honestly, it was impossible. Home Sweet Home. Being the central point of Disneyland and the most famous Disney symbol, it gets really crowded. Finally crossing the castle gates to see how the Sleeping Beauty wanted her home decorated. It is the perfect storybook castle that displays the main plot and the most important elements of the fairy tale that it represents. You can find important parts of the story written on the books displayed, of course in French. There is also a beautiful inside fountain with the Sleeping Beauty and her prince dancing in the middle. From here we can go to the terrace to have a look at the Fantasyland and the opportunity to hug a lot of people. The windows are decorated with beautifully painted glass representing images of the fairy tale. Here's where the Sleeping Beauty had a misfortune that made her sleep. One of the most interesting and exciting things about this castle is not at the main floor, is in the dungeon underneath. So we have rushed downstairs to meet the huge dragon. It is sleeping most of the time, but it gets angry when awakened. we had to leave the castle and went in exile to the frontierland. Here we headed directly to the Big Thunder Mountain to feel as adventurous as Indiana Jones. The ride was incredible. It had a lot of thrills in it, with 360 loops, speed, height, and amazing views. But remember that at Disneyland, the more fun you'll have at the ride, the longer you'll wait in line. After the Thunder Mountain, we felt again very adventurous and we wanted to search the Phantom Manor. For over a 40-minute queue, we wanted spooky, we wanted scary and unforgettable. In our opinion, the Phantom Manor is overrated. But after it, we went back to the Fantasyland and relaxed a little bit at the Snow White. A quick and very needed coffee break with our new duck friend. And then we took advantage that Pinocchio had reopened just before the big parade. The parade takes place every day and starts around 5 p.m., the exact time depending on the time of the year. The starting point is at the It's a Small World ride and they parade for about 40 minutes. Everyone was running to get there in time and to catch a great spot. Honestly, it is magical, unbelievable, incredible and unforgettable. Just watch the parade and try to imagine the feelings that we had. the characters' parade ended, we took the opportunity that we can outrun the crowd and went to Peter Pan. It is a highly popular ride and usually the queue is for about an hour. Another moment to cherish forever. Another super fun and exciting thing to do for people of all ages is getting intentionally lost in the amazing maze of Alice. It is beautiful and interesting, with every step getting closer to something very exciting. To top it all up, enclosed in the maze, guarded by the queen, is a little castle. The castle has some magic tricks on display, like this wobbly mirror. If you go up to the very narrow stairs, you will discover a beautiful terrace with a great view over the park. As we are getting closer to the most important time of the day, we wanted to grab a bite and take our spots for the most amazing moment! I'm still getting the chills just rewatching it. The whole show is something magical. To make it even more special, this year Disneyland Paris celebrates 30 years of existence. What makes Disneyland so special is that no matter the age, you will have the time of your life. It is like entering a time capsule where everyone is 10 years old and cherishes every moment. Disney means resurfacing your inner child and letting him have fun. Disneyland is pure magic. If you want to be part and share some magical moments with us, we invite you in our family. Let's start this beautiful adventure together. Until next time, your Travelicious Duo.